Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So now we go for the one of the important theorem from the fourth chapter in the IPE Maths 1B. It is, if theta is the angle between the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, then prove that cos theta is equal to a plus b by the root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So what is given here? Given that here ax square plus 2hx square plus by square is equal to 0 represent a pair of straight lines. So like this. So now always ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. It is the second degree equation in xy. So it is always represent a pair of straight lines which passes through the origin. So means they present the two lines which are through the origin. So you know that here when if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 passes through origin, the c will be vanish. So then c become 0. Eppudu ante when this line passes through the origin, the constant should be 0. Therefore we get that here ax plus by is equal to 0. This is the line which is passes through origin. అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక లైన్ అనేది ఆరిజిన్ ద్వారా వెళ్తున్నట్లయితే దాంట్లో కూడా కాన్స్టెంట్ వ్యానిష్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎలా అంటే ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is through the origin. So on that line there will be origin. If you write this origin in the line, a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c is equal to 0, then you get that here c is equal to 0. Therefore in that equation c becomes 0. You get that here ax plus by is equal to 0. This is the form of the straight line which is passed through the origin. Therefore this equation presents the two lines, it is the L1 and L2, so which are passes through the origin. Same way ikkada given that here solution given here given pair of equation, given pair of line equation, here it is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Take as the equation 1. Ikkada chudandi, so 1 represent L1 comma L2, represent the two lines. One is the L1, one is the L2. So both passes through the origin. This is the x-axis, this is the origin, this is the y-axis. So between these two lines the angle is theta given. So then we have to prove that cos theta is equal to a plus b mod of a plus b by under root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So now let's take that here the equation L1 equivalent L1x plus m1y is equal to 0, and take the L2 is the L2x plus m2y is equal to 0. So this is the combined equation of L1 L2. Kabatti take that here ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to L1 into L2. Therefore what is the L1 here? There is the L1x plus m1y into L2x plus m2y. So now multiply them, L1 into L2, x into x square, then first term and second term L1 m2 plus L1 m2 x into y xy, then plus m1 and L2. Therefore to that now first write L2, then write the m1 xy plus m1 m2 into m2 y into y square. Then we get that here L1 L2 into x square plus from these two xy is common, take the outside, we get that here L1 m2 plus L2 m1 into xy plus m1 m2 y square is equal to here is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So now compare on both sides. Then we get that here coefficient of x square here a, here coefficient of x square is L1 into L2, therefore we get that here a is equal to L1 L2. Then compare the xy terms here, 2hxy is equal to L1 m2 plus L2 m1 into xy, therefore to that here 2h is equal to L1 m2 plus L2 m1. And then finally b is equal to m1 m2 if you equate the coefficient of y square, therefore we get that here b is equal to m1 m2. So now take that, we know the formula that when the two lines are given, ante example these two are lines, so this is the angle in the angle theta, it is the a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and it is the a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So between these two lines, if the angle is theta, then we have the formula cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 mod by the root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. So we already learned this formula, the chapter straight line. So apply this formula here. So that's why theta is angle between L1 and L2. Therefore cos theta is equal to, what is formula here, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by the root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. Therefore mod of a1 అంటే ఇక్కడ a1x plus b1y ఊహించుకుంటే దీన్ని a2x plus b2y కన్నా we have to imagine that this is the a1 b1 a2 b2. So substitute the values in the formula. a1 means here L1, the a2 means L2 plus b1 means m1 and b2 means m2 by root of L1 square plus m1 square into L2 square plus m2 square. Now is equal to L1 L2 plus m1 m2 by the root of, so multiply them, L1 square into L2 square, get that here L1 L2 whole square, get that here L1 square and m2 square, that we get that here plus L1 m2 whole square, then we get that here m1 L2 m1 whole square, then m1 m2 plus m1 m2 whole square. So from now onwards we have to observe very carefully to understand. So that's why, so what do we get here, we get that is equal to L1 L2 plus m1 m2 mod by the root of L1 L2 whole square plus m1 m2 whole square plus, add the L1 L2 m1 m2 in place and then L1 m2 whole square plus L2 m1 whole square. So this is the form we got here. And then so ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనకు we have a square plus b square, so we need that plus ab plus 2ab or minus 2ab, so that's why you have to add and subtract 2 into L1 L2 and m1 m2, you get that here mod of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 by the root of, so we have to take that L1 L2 whole square plus M1 M2 whole square plus L1 M2 whole square plus L2 M1 whole square. Then take that here plus 2L1 L2 M1 M2 minus 2L1 L2 M1 M2 should be the root. So in that way we have to add and subtract the 2L1 L2 M1 M2 in the root. So we get that here L1 L2 plus M1 M2 mod by under root of. So first of all we have to write the these L1 L2 M1 M2 and minus 2 L1 M2 in that place. So we get that here L1 L2 whole square plus M1 M2 whole square, then get that here minus 2 into L1 L2 and M1 M2, then plus here L1 M2 whole square plus L2 M1 whole square plus 2 into even మనకు L1 L2 M1 M2 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 2 L1 M2 and L2 M1 రాసుకున్నాను. So then we get that here L1 L2 plus M1 M2 mod by under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab. కాబట్టి మనకు apply the formula a minus b whole square. There we get that here L1 L2 minus M1 M2 whole square plus here a square b square plus 2ab. Here L1 M2 is a, L1 M2 is a, L2 M1 is b, L2 M1 is b, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Therefore we get that here L1 M2 plus L2 M1 whole square. So now therefore write formula here a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. Then a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. I applied this formula here. So now we get that here L1 L2 plus M1 M2 mod by the root of this become that here L1 L2 is equal to, we got that L1 L2 is equal to a. Therefore become the, sorry, we are applying the next we are apply, it is the actually should apply the title only here. Therefore we get that here L1 L2 is equal to here, that is the small a. Therefore a plus M1 M2 is small b, we got it here. Therefore we get that b mod by the root of L1 L2 is nothing but a minus M1 M2 nothing but b whole square plus L1 M2 plus L2 M1, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is 2h, therefore 2h whole square. Then we get that here a plus b mod by under root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square, that is the cos theta is equal to, we got this formula. So in this way we have to prove that cos theta is equal to a plus b by a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Very important theorem for the IPE.